In this Snapchat video tutorial today I will show you how to change language on Snapchat. So without spending more time, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app that you have installed. So right now you can see I have selected United States English language, and all my Snapchat settings and chat conversation will be display in the English language. So if you want to change the language from English to another language, so I will show you a trickful method which helps you to do this. So by default on a Snapchat there is no any option available which helps you to change the Snapchat language, but you can only change the Snapchat language by using the trick. So the trick is very simple. You just need to open your smartphone setting. So on your smartphone setting you just need to select the journal management option, and here you will find the language and input. So tap on this one. So right now on the top you can see I have selected the United States English language. So I want to tap on this one, and here you just need to tap on add language. So if you change your smartphone language, so your all Snapchat settings will be changed from one language to another language. So right now you can see I can easily scroll down and select any language that I want to change to the Snapchat. So I want to select the Al Arabiat, and you can see all my Snapchat Arabic language is displayed here. So you can also find the categories about the Arabic. So I want to select Al Maghrib. So select this one and set as default. So it take a little bit time. So finally you can see all my smartphone languages changed. Now I want to open my Snapchat app, and on Snapchat app and you can realize my Snapchat language is changed from English to Arabic. So you can see each and everything is written in Arabic. So when I tap on settings, so you can see all the things in Arabic. So this is pretty simple way to change the language on a Snapchat. You can also select any kind of a language that your smartphone is supported. So this is all about the video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you get more videos regarding a Snapchat, so you just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.